This is the Portable Aero 7000. So this is air condition Aero 7000. How to unpack?
Okay.
We have to start here in the front here, on the top. Slowly pull it off the carton, slowly, and that's all the stuff. Which there is
Yes.
this as well, this, and then parts of the air conditioner.
Ah, this is really good stuff. You
This
can
is how you will
put
put it on the
between your window.
between the window exactly.
It's already in.
This is the part. You can
Then-
see this one.
It's
And
probably
this
for
is
the
as
water.
well the small pump here.
Water. It's not a pump.
Water tube. This is the tube.
Manual.
The manuals.
Okay.
So we will install this.
You can carry it.
Step by step. You can carry it as well. Take out from the styrofoam. And this, it's very practical because there is a roller down this air condition. You can pull it. Very practical.
It's very hot time, summertime, 40 degree, and I hope it will really help us to sleep better at night and bring down the temperature.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
So that's unpacked. The next video will be about how to use it.
okay.